Super simple collard greens using ready, set, serve chopped collard greens from Markon. This product comes packed 6 2-pounders to a case. Now let's get started. Over medium heat, add 1 cup of diced bacon. Cook this for 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of diced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 4 cups of stock. I'm using chicken stock today. Now we add 1 bag or 2 pounds of our ready, set, serve chopped collard greens from Markon. Give this a stir. Next, add a tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cracked red pepper flakes. Give this a good stir, reduce heat to low, cover and cook for 1 hour. Voila! Collard greens from Markon, ready, set, serve them up.